What if your $10,000 door has dents? Learn how to restore its appearance with us?
So what we have here is an explanation for a touch-up kit. Basically, touch-ups are very small issues that are common on doors, from scratches or dents or anything minor that's a blemish. If you want to cover it up, you use the touch-up kit. And it is just the stain itself that we use for the door. And make sure you shake this really well, get it nice and mixed. You're just going to take the brush, get a little bit on there, and then you can just literally dab. Wait, a little more. Dab over the spot to match the color. And you can use a nice glove here to keep the stain off your hands. But you just want to darken that spot without touching outside of the spot, because you don't want to make the stain that's already existing any darker than it is. You just want to blend it together. So just like this, you darken the spot. If you get too much, just rub it off and then do it again. But this spot will now darken up, and when it dries, it should match the rest of the door.